Step 6 is tapping. So you're putting it all together. By the time you get to the actual tapping, you've prepared everything nicely. It's time to relax and let the tapping do its job. So here's how you put it all together. You read your setup statement out loud as you tap on your karate chop point, which is right here, just midway between your wrist and your pinky. And you can say it 1 to 3 times, whatever feels best for you. After that, you'll read aloud your reminder phrases as you tap on each point. You just keep tapping on that point until you finish saying your reminder phrase. So go through the entire round of tapping points a couple of times or more times, whatever feels right for you. You can do even more rounds than that if it feels good, or until the intensity lowers, or until you notice that the body sensation has changed. In some cases, you may feel the need to do quite a few rounds, even using the exact same wording. That's perfectly fine. So now I'm going to show you the tapping points. Like I said, you start with the karate chop point, which is midway between your pinky and your wrist. You can use 2 or 3 fingers. You don't have to tap hard. And you just tap as you say your setup statement. So even though I have this problem, I'll just keep it simple. Even though I have this problem, I love and accept myself anyway. Even though I have this problem, I love and accept myself anyway. Even though I have this stupid problem, I love and accept myself anyway. You can do it on either hand. It doesn't matter. You can switch hands in between. That's fine. So then you've said your statement, and now you're going to tap on your reminder phrases on the points. So the top of the head is just right at the top of the head, right directly above the tops of the ears. Go up to the top. It's right there. And you just tap, again, 2 or 3 fingers right there, top of the head, this problem, and you state your reminder phrase or word. Then the inside of the eyebrow is just literally the inner tip of the eyebrow. This problem. You can tap on both sides, or you can tap on one side or the other. Doesn't matter, either hand. This problem. Then the side of the eye is just directly to the side of the eyes on the bone there. This problem. And again, one side is fine, or the other, or both. Under the eye, directly below the pupil on the bone, right there. This problem. Same thing, one side's fine. Now under the nose, just right between your nose and your lips, this problem. And the chin is just right in the middle of the chin there, this problem. And the collarbone points are just where those kind of knobs are right there. You go a little bit below, and they're kidney points right there. And you can tap on them like this, or you can use one hand. It's very easy to do one hand like that. And then under the arm is just directly below the armpit. For a woman, it's in the middle of her bra strap. For a man, it's directly across from his nipple. So you can tap under the arm with one hand, like this. You can cross your body, that's fine. Or you can use the monkey arms and do it like this. And the wrist points, I like to use the wrist points. Not everyone uses them. I like them because there are 3 meridians that run up your hand, up your arm, and you get to hit them. So I use 3 fingers, and you can just go like that, or some people like to tap both wrists together. And again, either hand, it doesn't matter. And then after, you take a breath. So that's 1 round of tapping. For now, here's a quick review using the exercise sample that we've been working with. You can tap along with your issue, replacing it with your words if you'd like. So for him, he's going to tap on the karate chop point. Even though I feel embarrassed, angry, and frustrated that I can't buy what I want to buy, and I feel it in my chest and my shoulders, I love and accept myself as best I can. And then he would say that 3 times. I'm just going to shorten it right now though. Top of the head, this embarrassment. Inside of the eyebrow, this anger. Outside of the eye, I feel so frustrated. Under the eye, I can't buy what I want. Under the nose, this feeling in my chest. And the chin, this feeling in my shoulders. Collarbone, I feel so embarrassed. Under the arm, I can't buy what I want to buy. And the wrist, I feel so embarrassed. And then take a breath. Great, you've just finished your first tapping rounds. So now let's move on to what you do next, re-rating yourself.